Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be slaying a wig from Isee Hair Beauty. So the wig that we're using today is a 24-inch Malaysian straight lace frontal wig. So my client was already molded down with the ball cap method, and I used 91% alcohol to clean her hairline where I will be applying the lace front glue. So once I got the area nice and clean, I apply my first layer of bow hole lace glue. And I will put 3 layers of bow hole lace glue before applying the lace. It's very important to make sure that your lace glue turns clear before applying your lace. This step is very important, guys. Make sure that your glue is clear before applying your lace, or it will not stick. So once your glue has turned clear, you will start laying your lace down. Okay, so once my lace is down, I will start cutting my lace in a zigzag motion. Do not cut in a straight line. Cutting the hair in a zigzag motion creates more of a natural hairline. So right here, I'm just taking my tweezers and just thinning out her hairline just a little bit more because I want the natural look. So once we pluck the hairline just like we like it, we started parting her middle part and creating her baby hairs around her hairline. What I use to create my baby hairs is got to be freeze spray. So once I got those baby hairs laid just like my client likes it, I'll use a strip paper to put around her edges. While I was waiting on those edges to melt in, I flat ironed her hair and took my straightening comb. I didn't get the video of it, guys, but I took my straightening comb and flattened down her middle part. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and make sure you turn on the notifications for more of my videos.